Wahala Repete Leleyi tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ yìí láàrin Portable Baby ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí àti Verydarkblackman. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá gbàgbé wípé láìpẹ́ ọlárí tí Portable ó lọ fi ẹ̀ṣẹ́ fọ́ ọmọkùnrin ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kan lórí títí tí ọmọkùnrin yẹn tó fi di èrò ọgbà hospital tó fi dèrò hospital tàṣírí tó ń gbomi lórí hospital bed tí wọ́n ti dé bandage mọ́ ní orí àti ẹsẹ̀ pẹ̀lú apá ẹ̀ ó lágbára o eléyìí tó mú kí Verydarkblackman ó jáde tán fún wípé Portable ti ń ṣe tipẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe fọ́ pásítọ̀ kan létí níjọ́sí wípé eléyìí tó ṣe lọ́tẹ̀ yìí ilẹ̀ mọba ó di dandan kó jìyà iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ ni wàhálà plus wàhálà bí méjèèjì ṣe jáàmù ara wọn nìyẹn o lọ́rọ̀ bá di gbàásgbòs láàrin Portable àti Verydarkblackman kò tó pẹ́ kò tó jìnnà láàrin tí Portable tún bọ́ síta tó tún fi fọ́nrán kan síta wípé àwọn guys kan wá attack òun nílé òun pẹ̀lú ìbọn tó wá mú kọ́pọ̀ máa rò wípé ta ló rán wọn bó lọ̀rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ bó ni ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ó lágbára ṣùgbọ́n kò pẹ́ kò tún jìnnà ó ní Portable tún bọ́ sórí ayélujára ló tún ní Verydarkblackman ló rán àwọn guys yẹn wá láti wá attack òun pẹ̀lú ìbọn.
ó yẹ já lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jọ́ kọ́ àgbà ni. I just dey go on my own, they camera me, they follow me, say you are. I'm a Verydarkblackman. Daddy, Verydarkblackman. Don't know you see me.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àbí mi ó lágbára ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló bá di yánpọnyánrin láàrin Portable àti Verydarkblackman torí nínú fídíò yìí Verydarkblackman náà ti reply Portable wípé tó bá ṣe fíìmù àgbéléwò tó ń ṣe tán tó ya fíìmù tán pẹ̀lú àwọn boys tó arrange wípé kó gba station lọ kó lọ ṣe kíni kó lọ ṣàlàyé ara rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọlọ́mọ tó fi ẹ̀ṣẹ́ tó fi fọ́ lórí wípé torí ó máa make sure wípé kò lọ scot free ó jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní àfi tí ò bá sí òfin mọ́ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà drama gidi ló ń lọ lọ́wọ́ yìí láàrin Portable Baby àti Verydarkblackman torí nínú fídíò yìí Verydarkblackman tó jó máa yé Portable wípé tó ká lóun fẹ́ ba kàríà ẹ̀ jẹ́ ni òun mọ àwọn ọ̀nà tí òun máa gbégbà kí làwọn ọ̀nà tó lóun máa gbégbà gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá lè máa find out nínú fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tẹ́yìn bá wá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ẹ máa bá mi follow DJ Naija online TV lórí Facebook link kan wà ní comment section fídíò tó máa gbé yín lórí Facebook page wa lórí YouTube ẹ máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò kẹ́sì máa bá mi like and share ẹ máa bá mi pín kó máa lọ lórí ayélujára ó yá ẹja jìjọ̀wọ́ fún rìn kàgbọ́n nǹkan tí Verydarkblackman sọ nínú ẹ̀ kéde máa bá mi fèrè yín nípa ẹ̀ sí comment.
ó yẹ já lọ jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jọ́ kọ́ àgbà ni. I just dey go on my own, they camera me, they follow me, say you are. I'm a Verydarkblackman. Daddy, Verydarkblackman. Don't know you see me.
All right, Portable. I don't say a lot of videos where you don't do. What I want to tell you is this: if you finish all this your nonsense, what you do, you must go and answer the question why you physically assaulted that guy. After all this your nonsense, all this your film, what you do, you must enter there, unless if there's no law in this country. I don't tell you. Now, you made another post yesterday. Let me play a little. Make I answer you.
Wait, the drink, aboti, oda igbo ati ma mu table water, bi ogbe baba, ibi yaro. Wa, abateni je na you be. O le ba temi je Ogbeni ara nkan emi juwo. Wo.
Now, in this post, you said abateyan jele me, like you say, I dey spoil things for people. Now, Portable, if I want spoil things for you, let me read this caption. It says, Zazu, God bless all my fans. Echo of Africa, Tony Montana coming to Canada. If I want spoil things for you, I go carry this video where you dey punch that guy like that. I go submit them to the Canadian embassy. I go share them to like 10 or 15 people where don't get citizenship for Canada. They go in Nigeria, they will go submit them for their own embassy. They will file a report for there. Make them know say you be violent person and you are not mentally stable. I'll come bring the one where you do DJ Chicken again. I'll come bring the one where you slap that pastor. All of them will come gather everything. Will come file and go. Come do proper reports. Come let lawyers sign. Come take them to the Canadian embassy. I will work there myself. I'll give it to them. If they even let you go do this show, now, if they let you, if eventually they let you go for this show, they might not let you again. Because I go make sure I stand for their throats. May they stop people like you. Do you understand? But because you have family to feed, we will not go that length. But you see this one where you do this guy, so you must answer for it. Also, Nigerians, if people don't understand all these gang things, affect a lot of people and what all these gang things have really done. I'm a proper street boy. Do you understand? I'm a 100% street boy. I don't care how portable. All those ones, I'm out. No one never even see anything. I swear. And you never see anything, bro. Are they nuts? You understand? Are they not? I know how many people I don't see where they cut because of all these gang things. Do you understand? Cuts. No be say that they cut them like this. Go see person interest and come out. Do you understand? Now, no be every one of those people who do all those gang things that they catch. Most of the times, now the innocent people with their victims. Like I said, imagine say this guy can't fall down, the guy can't buy. That is the end of the guy. Maybe nobody for no. Maybe the person where he record that video where post this one now, maybe the for film block and collect phone, maybe beat him or buy him too. People don't know the extent of this. We cannot have a society where people will be bullying others and posting it on social media and you see evidence and nobody will talk because they say you are a celebrity or you are popular or they like you. No. Now Portable made another video. He say upon all the good when don't do, now the bad thing when do that they remember. Which good have you done? Point out the good you have done. Point out the good you have done. If everybody they ginger you, they calm down, brother. When you do something wrong, you apologize. But this one, you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way. You go pay for that hospital bill if the time reach. You understand? You will pay. Don't play. And like I said, you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way.
Ṣe rí pé ó lẹ́tùkẹ́ gidigidi ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Ibo gan lọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa já sí. Ìwo ló máa tẹ̀ fún kan nínú àwọn méjèèjì. Ṣé Verydarkman gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe mọ̀ wípé tí kò bá rí n tó ń wá kò ní padà lẹ́yìn ẹni tó ń lé. Ọ̀pọ̀ wa la mọ̀ yẹn dájúdájú dáadáa. Ṣé ẹ̀yin èèyàn náà lérò wípé yóò lè make sure wípé Portable jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́tẹ̀ yìí abẹ́ ìrò wípé Portable àti go scot free gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe ti máa ń go scot free látẹ̀yìn wá? Ẹ má fọ opinion ti yín nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí comment. Ẹ má wá gbàgbé láti máa bá mi follow Digi Naija Online TV tẹ́yìn ò bá ti follow wa lórí Facebook. Kẹ́sì máa bá mi like and share video kó máa lọ káàkiri lórí ayélujára. Ká tó pàdé láyé àtàláfíà. Ó dàbọ̀.